Welcome back mga kapamilya dito sa Premier Volleyball League. 5th set na at kagaya ng sinabi ng kasama kong cute na si Pia Geiser, this is the first time ever na nagkaroon ng 5th set dito sa PVL. And again, ako si Roxanne Montealegre. You can follow me on Twitter at Roxy Montealegre and on Instagram at Roxanne Montealegre.
And it's me, Pia Geiser. Guys, follow me at Pia Geiser.
Cute mo talaga, Pia. Pero alam mo, mas
parang bitin yung at Pia Geiser. Parang may kulang pa yan na syllable.
Pero alam mo, mas cute ka kasi parang kinikilig ka ngayong 5th set na to. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
I love 5th sets. It's very thrilling kasi parang pantay na kayong dalawa ulit, di ba? All.
Pero Pia, notice the face of Wendy Semana. Parang hindi nagbago from 1st set to 5th set.
Ayun nga, sabi ko sa'yo, parang no reaction lang siya eh. Kahit magkapuntos, makakuha siya ng malakas na bola. Same. And during your college years, ganun din siya.
Pero ang buwan naman ng puntos dito sa Lady Jet Spikers, nabuhay ni Joy Cases, napakagandang reception. Nabati ko na naman.
Outside. Alam mo yun, mahirap talaga itong 5th set kasi bawal ka masyado magkamali. Yung mga unforced errors na yan. Kailangan siguro mga 1-0. Pero yun, kita-kita natin from Cases. Di ako magpapabaya.
Yes.
Teammates ko to.
Cases taking on that leadership role. She is definitely doing her job. At this point in the match, napakahusay na manlalaro. Gandang tapik nun.
Good save.
Z?
Naku, masyadong mababa yung set Semana. And yung itsura pa rin niya, same. Hindi natin alam kung ano nararamdaman niya ngayon.
Ano kayong nasa mindset ni Wendy? So actually, kanina nakausap ko siya, sabi niya, she's been through so many games, so many championships, so many titles. This is nothing new to her. And we can really learn a lot from an expert player like her. 3-2 na ang ating talaan. Up by 1 point ang Perlas Spikers.
Dikit na dikit. Pati parang ako yung kinakabahan sa parehas na team eh. But there you go.
Superman Sue Rosses.
Go to move.
Ang ganda ng
Remember
ngiti niya.
that, no? Minsan lang nila gawin yung running niya, pero pag ginawa yung running niya, sure. Puntos.
It's her signature move that gave them 1 more point. Tinapik! Humahabol na ang Lady Jet Spikers.
This anticipation ni Jem Ferrer yun. Pero mukhang babawi naman siya. Giving place to her Spikers.
Ang ganda rin ng anticipation dito sa Perlas Spikers. Villanueva. Semana setting it up. Good blocking. Villanueva. Will it make it?
Parehas na team, no? Sobrang focus nila.
Yes.
Bahada talaga sila every point just to talk about what they could do, ano place nila, to compose themselves, you know.
You're right. And namansin nga natin kanina that Coach Jerry is letting her players feel the game, letting them decide on their own. Napakagandang trust ang binigay niya dito sa kanyang players.
And since alam naman niya na mature enough naman yung mga players na matatanda na yan, mga veterano na yan, they can handle themselves.
Semana. Ang gandang tapik from Kat Bersola. At mas maganda yung ngiti niya ngayon.
Parang hindi siya makapaniwala na nakapuntos siya sa ngiti niya. Hindi ba? She's going to serve now for Perlas Spikers.
Hopefully, she still has that confidence in her. Trusting the ball. Good reception. Good.
And it goes out.
I was gonna say it was good, but you really never know, no? Where the ball goes sometimes. But now it's back to Kat Bersola.
Bagong-bago sa mga mata ko na si Kati. Iba yung jersey number niya, 7. Na laging 8.
Bakit nga ba?
idol daw niya si Kobe Bryant. Kasi,
Oh, yes.
Kaya nga din yun ako yung Mamba mentality.
Mamba mentality.
Tingnan natin kung mapibigay niya Mamba. Yun, Mamba mentality.
Mamba mentality talaga, Herbacio!
Go back kay Tapik.
Buhay pa rin ang bola natin!
Oh, no one was there at the back. Everyone was there in front. Kita mo yun?
Yes, napakaganda.
Isang
Nung,
simpleng tapik lang, papunta sa likod, puntos na.
And nakita natin yung pagsisisi sa mukha ni Kat doon.
Parang, hindi ko naabot. Parang ganun yung facial expression niya.
It could really be, our emotions are shifting every second here. From happiness, to fear, to anger, to giggle. Good energy.
Ako nagkaka-butterflies ako ngayon. Parang, sino kayo mananalo dito? No one knows.
Naramdaman natin yung kaba nila.
Wow! Matay talaga yung backkick na yan eh. Mas pamatay yung backkick ni Ahumiro kaysa front kicks niya. Kung mapapansin mo sa game na to.
And Ahumiro has proven herself, especially in the last game, as the top scorer with 17 points. And now, she is exceeding expectations, especially with her fans who have been watching her and her family, of course, from New Zealand, who are also live streaming now. Hello to the Ahumiros. Semana.
That doesn't go inside. We don't know what's happening to Fantina right now, but she looks frustrated about what she did.
Pero yun nga, no, 3 points ang kailangan pa nilang habulan. Go Perla Spikers, go Ate Kiwi, Hypo, Ate Pia Geyser, all the way from Rojas City, Capiz.
Hello, Bebe underscore Gale 2.
Ano kaya ang name niya talaga? Gale? Joyce Somero naman, happy birthday, idol Angel Marie Antipuesto. Galingan niyo po, #JetSpikers.
Happiest birthday. Tingnan natin kung mas happy ang birthday niya kung manalo si birthday, di ba?
Oo naman, kasi syempre it's your birthday. You don't want any negative vibes.
And syempre, ano mo mas masarap, di ba?
Gandang save again from the birthday girl.
Panalo. Parang perfect yung birthday mo pag panalo. Diba?
Oo naman, double celebration yun. Pero kahit merong birthday sa Lady Jet Spikers, naunguna pa rin ang Perla Spikers sa 8-6. 2 points pa ang kailangan nilang habulin. And the ball is with Mean Pantino.
Tignan natin, dikit na dikit pa rin ang laban. And, wow, what a hit by Herbacio. Compose din siya doon. Nakita mo yung mukha niya after that hit. She was like, okay, let's do more.
Yes, and kanina gigil na gigil siya, pero ngayon mas naging composed siya this 5th set. And I think kailangan talaga that change of attitude, especially kung gusto niyo nang makuha ito. Suroses. Ang ganda from Joy Cases. Buhay pa rin ang bola.
Rumble in the net.
Herbacio. Napakalakas nun. Amazing rally here.
Baba, pero napagawa ng paraan ni Ahumiro.
Cases. Sino ba ang magtatapos dito? Is it Sue? No.
Nabasa yung kanyang running attack.
Yongkov Ferrer. Good luck.
That goes straight to the net.
Oh no. Now 97, 2 points ang kailangan habulin ng Lady Jet Spikers.
Ipakita mo naman sa mga mata ng Jet Spikers na gusto din pumanalo dito. Both teams actually.
Both teams. And syempre, even if there are still a lot of games, you want to get your momentum as early as this day in the match.
And you can't afford those kinds of errors like what happened. A misreception by Perla Spikers. Yun nga, importante talaga yung service and reception. Semana, babawi siya dito sa dalawang error niya kanina sa setting.
Oh yes, Wendy Semana, veteran player.
And nabawi na niya yung dalawang yun sa dalawang service ace.
Yes, Wendy Semana tying it with 9-9. Napaka-exciting ng match natin ngayon. Habulan lang, dikdikan pa rin ang laban. And from IM Arces, go Pearl Spikers for the win. Hi daw po, Pia guys from Awesome Kiddo. Cute daw ng boses mo. Ano masasabi mo dyan?
Hi, Awesome Kiddo! Di ko nga alam kung paano nasasabi na ang cute ng boses. Matinis ba? Di ko alam eh.
Actually, hindi ko rin alam na ibig sabihin.
Ano ba ibig sabihin ng cute ng boses?
Go Nicole, go Amanda. I am David NY. Go Pearless Lady Spikers. I'm assuming, David, you're from New York. So, hello there sa Big Apple. Sana ma-imbita mo kami dyan ni Pia one of these days.
Lahat na lang ng tao na galing sa malayo. Imbitahan nyo kami dyan. Bigyan kami ng ticket.
And who has that ticket?
Yoko, with that luck. Kanina pa siya nakaka-block. Marami na natin siyang kill blocks eh. Mga 4 or 5. Not quite sure.
Yes, Yongko, pinapakita kung gaano siya kahusay starting from their opening match. She had 4 service aces, 12 excellent digs. At sabi rin niya na gusto niyang galingan ang larong ito para sa kanyang ama na naging volleyball player din sa FEU in his collegiate days. What an attack! And now the Lady Jet Spikers are up by 3 points.
So yun, go Perla Spikers, kaya niyan. Hi Pia Geyser and Roxy Monte Alegre. Wow.
Hello, Michael Rocha.
Go Perlas!
Hi Carl, hindi ka naman mahilig sumigaw.
Oo, all caps pa.
Oo, kailangan yan
In the zone daw talaga siya sa game na to, kaya all caps, tapos exclamation point pa, and ang daming S.
And Pia, for this last stretch of the game, yan talaga ang kailangan. Kailangan talaga. Sobrang ganda ng confidence na papakita mo. Dapat yung moral ng team nyo, buong-buong. Ferrer.
And nakapasok na ni Nicole Tiamzon, but she gives a point agad for the Perla Spikers.
Closing it with 11-1. Isang puntos na lang. And dahil yan, kay Nicole Tiamzon.
Knocks naman Nicole. Let's go. Let's see what will happen here.
Ang gandang palo!
Ang gandang celebration galing sa Air Force. Sobrang saya nila. Yun talaga ang joy na binibigay din talaga sa akin ng volleyball. You know, pag nagpupuntos, kahit hindi galing sa yung puntos,
Yes.
team na puntos.
And it's really a collective effort from the Lady Jet Spikers. Everyone is stepping up, taking on leadership roles.
Double. Bayoko.
Giving an easy point to the Perla Spikers.
Yes, 11-12. Wow, this game though. Abot ata to ng 25 din eh. Tingnan natin.
Yongko! Natapik. Pantino. Semana. Joy Casas again. Perlas. Keeping this game alive. Tying it 12-12.
Very cool. 12 all ngayon. Tingnan mo naman, nung kanina nag-time out, 9 all. Tama ba?
Yes.
At ngayon, 12 all.
At saka Pia, ang ganda-ganda na nakita natin sa players natin. They're focused, but there are times nakita natin yung celebration nila. Napaka-balansa ng mga emotions dito. Even if it's supposed to be a stressful game at this moment, everyone, it seems to be enjoying it. And this is really what volleyball is all about. We have a quality game here. Lady Jet Spikers, headed by Coach Jasper Jimenez, and Perla Spikers, of course, with your former coach, Jerry Yee.
Kita mo naman, relax, parehas na team. Pero palaban. Yun yung gusto natin.
Staying composed.
Yun! Tapping!
Hanap at sukat na sukat niya ang kanilang kalaban.
Pasok ng players Coach Jerry. Tignan natin.
Yung strategy ni Coach Jerry talagang napapansin na natin on this second day. at PVL. Mahilig siyang magbigay ng opportunity sa iba-ibang players. Tiangzon,
Siyempre, minamaximize niya yung talents ng players niya, di ba?
very deep bench, top-tier players.
Oh,
Hindi
still
na
alive, pero hindi. Hindi na save ni Pantino yun.
Their distance, they were too close to each other.
Pero nakita mo naman, dive talaga sila kung dive. Kung matamaan nila teammates sila, okay lang, basta maangat yung bola.
Of course! Pero mas dikit dyan ang score natin ngayon, 13-all.
13-all na po. Sa lahat ng nanonood, ano po bang na-feel nyo? And Pantino!
What a top score kill! Mean Pantino! Grabe yung saya niya doon.
Tingnan mo naman si Pantino, no?
Very confident.
Napakaamo ng mukha. Pantino ulit yan!
She can taste that victory! Pero nasagot. Binuhay ni Su.
Gusto na po at free ball pa ang binigay dito sa Jet Spikers.
Tinapek! Inangat!
Bibigyan nila kay Pantino!
Pantino!
Di pa siya ready doon.
Magandang reception pa rin.
Isa pa, kay Pantino ulit. Hindi!
This energy Pantino again!
Amanda Villanueva.
Oh! Yes!
And there you have it!
Lady Jet Spikers Pia taking this fifth set.
Tingnan mo naman yung mga itsura nila. It looks like they won a championship.
Yes.
Rocks.
And we are so happy that we are giving our viewers this quality volleyball right here. This is Premier Volleyball League.
Yes. Quality volleyball we have here, Rocks.
Yes, Lady Jet Spikers taking the first two sets, Perla Spikers the second two, and claiming this game for May 2, 2017, the Lady Jet Spikers going home and celebrating this beautiful win against the Perla Spikers.
And happy birthday to Ate Puesto.
Finally, you can celebrate today, and I wonder where they will go after this grueling set.
And for the player of the game, we have Mean Pantino. Kita-kita naman sa kanya, sobrang composed. Pag binigay sa kanya yung bola, alam niya papatayin niya. Kahit di pa siya ready, tatalon siya ng tatalon, papaluin niya yun. Diba?
Yes, Mean Pantino, congratulations to you. You're right, Pia. Very deserving si Mean Pantino on and off the court. What a talented person with a beautiful heart inside and out. Mabuhay ka, Mean. And thank you sa mga nanood at nag-livestream today dito sa atin.
And for the next games on May 4, Thursday, we have the Lady Jet Spikers versus the Cool Smashers. So, please watch again, live stream here
Sa premiervolleyballleague.com. Use the hashtag also PVL on ABS-CBN. And also, for Thursday, May 4, hindi nagtatapos sa first game yan. Meron pa tayong pangalawa, Water Defenders kontra naman sa Lady Warriors. Yes, at napakagandang laban yan. Kailangan nyo talaga mag-livestream. Kung hindi man sa premiervolleyballleague.com, pwede nyo rin puntahan ang #1 Philippine sports website, sports.abs-cbn.com/livestream/PVL. Ang ganda ng game today, Pia!
Oh, sobrang I can't believe it. Sobrang saya.
Sobra-sobra pang sorpresa ang mabibigay sa inyo dito sa Premier Volleyball League.
Marami pa pong games.
Yes, and again, ako ang inyong lingkod, Roxanne Monte Alegre.
And Pia Geyser over here. And we're saying
Goodbye! And see you again for the next Premier Volleyball League on Thursday, May 4th. Salamat mga kapamilya!
see you soon.
Mama!